Hey guys, we have another exciting show for you today. Stay tuned, watch it happen, and get to learning. Get to learning. It's time. Bearman Boyd. Now what we have here is a river. Bears hate rivers. Stay away from them. Hiking through the woods, you're going to come across creeks like this very often. What you got to do sometimes is cross it. What we have here is a conveniently placed tree. You want to cross at tree points like this. Triangulate your direction and you want to cross perpendicular to the flow of the water. Now, I'm going to show you how it's done. I'm going to take my iPod out of my pocket and my phone as well. These things are electronic and you don't want them getting wet. No hair dryers. You want to have at least 3 points of contact at all times. 1, 2, 3. 2, not good. 2, 4, great. 4 is great. Hand drum. Oh, oh yeah. Simple as that. Keep that in mind next time you're crossing a creek. Okay. You find a hibernating bear, whoosh, whoosh, snuggle with it. Now polecats love to climb poles. This is a good one here. Okay, we're in the heart of bear country, people. You don't want to be too loud. You don't want to be too loud. Bears have super hearing. They're kind of like superheroes. When you're sneaking up on a bear, you want to do it a certain way. Here's the walk. Leaves are loud, don't be. What a great show we had today, guys. Stay tuned, bear lovers. See you next time. Thanks. What happens in bear country stays in bear country. Unless you have a camera and you're gonna put it on the internet or something.